Hello, my name is Connor Dagnan. I'm going to be going through my Software Engineering 3 assignment document now. My app is basically a website that allows a user to create and edit character sheets for a tabletop role-playing game called Dungeons & Dragons, the 5th edition. The website allows for the creation of several users, and each user can have several character sheets. Here, in my use case diagram, I show the user's basic interactions with the system. See here, the user interacts with the system here on the left with the login, logout, and register use cases. Whereas on the right is the actual system. So when the user registers and then logs in, it can create a character sheet, select a character sheet, or generate a template. And that's it. It's fairly simple. The only complex part of this is that delete character sheet and edit character sheet are extensions of select character sheet, as they both require the same level of access. So it's easier to make them as an extension. Here I have my use case descriptions, basically going through the whole system in more detail. Here I have my class diagram. It's fairly simple. It basically just shows the different levels between the several classes. I've got my interaction layer, my controller layer, my DAO, and then the object and the relations therein. As you can see here, the user interacts with the UI interacts with the controller interacts with the DAO, and the DAO fetches the character sheet for whatever it may need. As you can see that the user can have multiplicity of character sheets, but character sheets can only have one user. And there's no multiplicity between the user and UI. And as you can see here, the relationship between the controller, the DAO, and character sheet is one way, because a DAO does not require knowledge that a controller exists, but a controller requires knowledge that a DAO exists. That's basically what my class diagram is. It's fairly simple, but straightforward all the same. This is my sequence diagram. As you can see here, this column represents the user, UI, controller, DAO, and character. I've got three separate instances here of user interaction with the system, and you can see that it's fairly straightforward. Here with the register method, register is called from the UI after the user clicks on it and calls the controller calls the DAO. The DAO creates a user profile, and then that is returned to the user via the UI. Second, with the character sheet, it's quite similar to the controller. It's selecting a character sheet, except that the DAO talks to the object of character and returns the specified character sheet. And here at the bottom, you can see that the delete character sheet works almost exactly like the selection of the character sheet, except that it returns nothing because the character sheet is deleted at the end. There's not much really else to go on from here, so I hope that's good enough for you. I tried my best. Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye.